This is the Astro LED CCT, Ansell Lighting's all-polycarbonate multi-purpose LED square bulkhead. Inside the box you will find the Astro LED CCT fitting, a set of instructions and a bag of fixtures and fittings. The fixtures and fittings are located under the LED panel of the fitting. Firstly, turn off the electrical supply. Accurately mark up and measure out for the fitting. Drill a hole for your electrical supply and pull it through. Cut and prep your electrical supply. Flip over the Astro fixture and prep your fitting holes, as well as an entry hole for the electrical supply. You can set your colour temperature on the circuit board of the panel using the CCT switch. The Astro offers two colour temperatures, 3000K and 4000K. Fit your Astro housing in your chosen position. Attach your electrical supply to the push-fit terminal block. Reattach the circuit board to the fixture. Attach the outer lighting shell to the fixture and secure tightly with the screws. Attach the outer rim of the fixture. Restore the electrical supply. Then switch on your luminaire. For more information, please visit our website today.